What is going on, everybody? It is Sean the Sane here, back with another video, and today we are opening some PRB, baby. Set is finally here. There's been a lot of hype for this set, and for good reason. It's really good for this game that we're finally getting some reprints for a lot of the cards. I know Black, for example, is super expensive, and a lot of people wanted to play it, but have kind of scared off a lot of people. So I think this set is going to help a lot of newer players. It's going to hopefully bring a lot of people back into the game. The only downside is I know that a lot of people's collections might diminish a little bit because of the reprints, but I think that overall it's worth it, you know? And this set's been a lot of fun to open. This is not my first box that I've opened. This is just to give you guys and I've had some pretty good pulls. I was able to pull not one, but two Sanji leaders, which is pretty cool. I don't know if I'll play the deck. The deck does looks like a lot of fun, but we'll see. But anyway, if you guys are new here, please like and subscribe. Got more One Piece content on the way, but I'm super excited to open this box for you guys. Hopefully we can make some magic happen on the camera. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, these packs are so shiny. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate it. So we'll get this pile right here, just so we have more room on camera. We'll set that kind of to the side. And this is our first stack right here. So yeah, let's go, baby. But yeah, there's a lot of cool things about this set, so that we're gonna kind of see. So got the Don Quixote family, Vinsmoke, Ichiji, Arrow, Baby 5, Wiper, Capone. Got the 9-cost Yamato. It's really good. And yes, if you see this here, there is a pirate flag texture on some of the cards, so it's really cool. It's kind of like another way to like know that this is from this set. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. And this one's also shiny. And then we've got the Sakazuki regular Dawn. That's also another thing new in this set, is the Dawn. The Dawn is very cool. But yeah, I think we're gonna kind of try and keep the SRs together and just kind of keep the pulls. But yeah, so far so good. Got the 9-cost Yamato from that pack. All right, we have a beige, another Ichiji, a Raizu, an Airdoor, a Kobe, which is a promo card, and we've got a Yanji. Sorry about that lighting, guys. The Kaido, got a shiny Thunderbolt, and an Ivankov, and some Moria Dawn. So where did I put Dawn at? Okay, I'm gonna do my best to kind of keep it as organized as possible, but we'll see, you know, I'm doing my best, so we'll see. But yeah, I got the 10-cost Kaido, which I remember I used to run in Croc a little bit back in the day. It's a pretty good card in that deck. But yeah, let's keep going. We got Gum Gum, Gavel, Vinsmoke, Niji, Blast Breath, Nico Robin, Satori. Got the Sanji. Man, I've pulled so many Sanjis from this set. The Charlotte Smoothie, and a little shiny Ice Age. So this is pretty sweet. This will be cool to use in some decks. You can kind of take out your regulars and put them in the new ones. But yeah, so yeah, we're kind of chilling. Nothing too crazy so far, but hopefully we can change that. So we'll see. Maybe I can get my third Sanji leader. That would be pretty insane. Okay, Kingdom of Germa, Tony Chopper, Don Quixote family, Khalifa, so 100 million volts. Got the starter deck, Blocker Law, got the Marco, and the Dellinger, and Perona Dawn. So this Dawn looks really cool. I have the foil version of that Dawn, and it looks really nice. The two ones that I'm looking for are the Dofi Dawn and the Law Dawn, because I mean, anybody who watches my channel knows that I love my boy Law. Is my favorite character in One Piece. Yeah, we'll see if we can at least get a full art. So Reiju, Otama, Radical Beam, Shirahoshi, Judgment of Hell, Hody Jones, Upper Yard, Inuyasha, and it looks like this is the, okay, I can't tell. I think this is the foil Katakuri Dawn. It's kind of hard to tell. It looks different from the regular, so I think this is the foil Dawn. So pretty sweet. I remember when I first pulled it, I wasn't sure who it was at first, but then I was like, oh, it's Katakuri. Yeah, speaking of Katakuri, I sadly do not have a playset of the 8-cost Katakuri, so I'm also hoping I can maybe pull those as well. That would be pretty sweet. 5, another Ice Age, Sanji's Pilaf, Smoke Niji, Borsellino. Yeah, this card used to be insanely expensive. I remember when this card was like 30-40 bucks, so a lot of people can probably start playing black again, and that's good. But also, you know, black is you know, pretty crazy. So with Lucci still kind of the king, although Dofi is up there for sure. That's the deck that I've been running. I love me some blue Doflamingo. It's just a super fun deck. Okay, Arrow, got the Blocker Law, got the Makino, the Khalifa, the Erdor, brand new, got the SR Luffy from OP-01. Ooh, and there is our first full art, guys, the full art Marco. Man, I love the full art on this card. It looks so good. The card is also really good. It's super annoying to play against, especially if you're planning on playing Newgate or Marco. But yeah, this card is really good. But yeah, that full art is awesome. We got like a little shiny Satori, and then we've got the Newgate Dawn. So very fitting that we pulled the Marco and the Newgate Dawn together, since they kind of work well together. But all right, guys, let's keep it going. Like we got another beige, a Gavel, a Nekomamushi, a Wiper, a Suru, Bartolomeo, got the 10-cost Dofi, which is an insanely good card, and a Borsellino. That is awesome. I actually pulled one of these from one of my other packs, and I just love this card, dude. It just looks so good. So now I probably will have to try and get a playset. Oh man, yeah, if I could get a playset of these for one of my decks. I was playing Black Luffy for a little bit, but I kind of fell off of it, so maybe what other black deck. But yeah, I just would love to have a playset of these. Oh man, dude, this card is awesome. So I think those are the 2 full arts, I believe. So we'll see. Really, I'm just kind of holding out for that Katakuri. I'm really hoping I can pull it, but we'll see. But yeah, no, that's awesome. Really, I was hoping I can pull the Kuzan because I have the Sakazuki and the Borsellino, and I would like to have all 3 of them. So I was hoping out. If not, I'll probably see if I can track one down from somebody of my locals. And here is the Sanji leader, the regular one. So, you know, I'll probably build it now that I have the leader. It does look kind of fun. Aizo, Kaido, 200 million volts, Sindri, and a Big Mom Dawn. So yeah, so pretty happy with our pulls so far. And here is the last pack from the first stack. Yeah, this set is super fun to open, and I think just if you're new to One Piece, definitely recommend picking up some PRB. It's just really good value. Rad Beam, Aizo, the new Nami, Vinsmoke Yanji, the 9-cost Mihawk, which this card's pretty good. Shockwave, Reiju, and the Rebecca Dawn. All right, so that's the first stack. So the takeaways for sure are the Borsellino and the Marco. That was some pretty nice pulls. So let's see. I don't think we've pulled, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think we've pulled any secrets yet, I don't think so. So here, let's kind of, we'll make some room for the next stack. But all right, guys, let's keep it going. You can already see a Brulee. So the Brulee, the Gavel, the Nico Robin, Sanji's Pilaf, the Promo Kobe, the Bello Betty, and the Parasparrow, and the Gavel, and the nice shiny Otama. And I think this is, I can't remember, I think it's Reiju, I'm not 100%, but yeah, there are some Dons that it takes me a second or I'm not 100% sure on who it is at first, but yeah. All right. Oh, just hit the mic. Thunderbolts, Helmeppo, Yanji, Sindri, Nico Robin, Elthor, Houndblaze. This card used to be insane. Oh, there's our first secret, the 10 cost Luffy. This is actually the third one I've pulled, believe it or not. And then there's the Katakuri Dawn. So I got 3 of these now. So I don't know if I need 3, but it is a good card. So we'll throw that to the side. Okay. I see a shockwave. All right, the 2K Mihawk. So yeah, there are cards from the starter decks in this. So really, Bandai kind of just did everything. And 9-cost Newgate, I actually do need more of these, so I'm pretty happy about that. And then Barrier and Arlong. And it looks like we have the second foil, which is the Vivi Dawn. So I have a buddy who would like this, so I'll probably save that for him. Because, yeah, he actually plays Vivi, believe it or not. But, nice. Okay, so we'll throw that to the side. All right, so Niji, Thunderbolts, Chopper, Raizu, the Billionfold World, Shirahoshi, Marco. I see something shiny. Oh, and there it is. There is the Katakuri. I was about to say, from all the boxes I pulled, I did pull the Altar, but I did have to part ways with it just to kind of make some money back on the box. But here we have the regular Katakuri, which again, I need a playset of these, and they've dropped quite a bit, so I'm pretty happy about that. I was running an L for a bit, but of course with an L, you do need 4 copies of the Katakuri. And this card is just really, really valuable. It's really good in a lot of matchups. I think some Vegapunk lists have run it as well. So I'm pretty happy about that. So that's the second secret from this box. So good stuff. Good stuff. And then the Utadon. This is also one of my favorites. Sadly, don't have any foils of it, but I would love to. All right. So pretty happy. So far, good pulls, good pulls. No God packs. No God packs quite yet, but we'll see. One-legged toy soldier, Suru, Bartolomeo. This card used to be insanely expensive. I remember paying a pretty penny for it. The Sabo, another Helmeppo and Althor. All right. Yeah, I've pulled a lot of Helmeppos. Like, I mean, that's good. We're getting a lot of Navy stuff, especially for people who maybe joined the game a little late and hopped in when Navy stuff was expensive, like the Kuzons and the Borsos and all that stuff. So it's good. It's good. Virgo, Red Rock, the 8-cost kid. Oh, and there is another full art, the full art Baby 5, which if you play Bonnie, this is really good in. I know some lists have cut it. I think I was running it in it for a bit, really to search for the 10-cost Dofis and others. But yeah, it's a really pretty full art. So I might have somebody who might be interested in it because I don't know if I'll hang on to it. And then we've got the Water 7 Dawn. We're getting pretty close to the end, guys, but so far I'm pretty happy with what we have pulled. Queen. Oh yeah, this card, I remember paying a pretty penny for it as well, because the funny story about this card is that out of all the starter decks, the one starter deck that I did not buy was the Kaido one. And what do you know? The Kaido one is hella expensive. This was back in like 05, 04 meta, and I was running Purple Luffy, and you need the Queens because, I mean, the good blocker and it's good value, so yeah. But now I have like 8. So Ryuma, Sakazuki, Duval, and the Arrow, and the Dofidon. Yeah, this and the Law are like my 2 favorites because they're like my 2 favorite characters. But I'm also running Dofi right now, so I'm trying to get 10. But, you know, people at our locals are really chill. You know, we're trying to help each other out and kind of get everybody's Dawn that they want, you know, because commons, they're really not worth a ton. So, you know, shout out to everybody in my locals. They've been helping me out to help me get my set of 10 Dawn, and I've been doing the same for them. So, you know, the homies helping each other out. Boa, the Billionfold World. I don't know if I said that right. Sindri, Makino, Bello Betty, got the Gecko Moria, yeah. And then, oh my goodness, guys. Wow. This box is gas, bro. Holy shit. Not another full art, the Marco. Oh, actually, I think it's the alt art, and it's the blocker, and holy shit, dude, this card is gorgeous. I might have to hang on to this one. And then there is the Kaido Dawn. Wow. Yeah, so this and the Borsalino are the 2 alt arts from this box. Oh my gosh, and seriously good pulls. So this box is not letting me down. It's coming through, and we got We got 2 packs left, but yeah, that Marco is insane, dog. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, no God pack, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Shockwave, Ice Age, Khalifa, the promo Luffy. Arlong, got the 5k blocker. This is, honestly, this is probably like one of my favorite cards in the entire game. I love this card so much. The SP, I have a graded 10 SP law because again, it's my favorite character. But I just love this card so much back in the red green law days, and it's still a fun card. I just wish that I wish there was a way to implement it into more decks because it's just such a cool card. It's got such a cool effect. If you don't know what it does, it's on play. You may return one of your characters to the owner's hand, then play up to 1 character card with a cost of 3 or less. It fits the character so well. But yeah, it's just such a great card. So I'm sad that I'm not able to use it in as much as I would like. But yeah. But yeah, now I have like 9. I've always had a playset of it just because it's just such a good, it's probably my favorite card in the game. Okay, last pack, guys. Duval, Mihawk, Guard Point, Virgo, Baby 5, another 2 Baby 5s back to back. Charlotte Cracker, Yanji, Dellinger, and I actually don't know. A NAMI? Oh, it's NAMI, yeah. Okay, it took me a second because I don't think I've pulled that. But yeah, guys, so for sure, the takeaways, these 3 guys right here are pretty dang good pulls. The Marco is really sick. And then we've got the 2 full arts right here. Yeah, this set is super fun to open, you know, like even if you're like me and you've been playing the game since like 02 or 03, so you have a lot of these cards. It's just super fun to open. And you know, like a lot of the SRs that I already have like playsets of, I'm probably just going to, you know, sell or give to newer players for, you know, either just give it or just for a good price, because you know that's kind of what this set's all about. And then or maybe trade it away for other SRs, you know. Like I said, I'm trying to get all 3 of the Admirals and get a playset of the categories because I've never actually had a playset of categories, even though I've been playing the game for that long. But yeah, guys, this set, it's been a lot of fun to open, and I hope your polls are good as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, you know, what polls if you've pulled a God pack or anything like that. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.